Welcome back to Terrible at Fishing. We have a really cool thing we're going to unbox. We just got in, boom, my new fishing reel. This is the Crixus. Now this isn't just any Crixus because they make several different lines of Crixus. This is the Armor X. So, let me put this aside. And we are going to do an unboxing and really take a gander at this thing. So, let's turn the camera down. Boop, 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 boop. Dun, dun, dun. So, here we go. Any second now. Any second now. Any second now. It's going to come out of the box. The box is going to come. The box of the box. It's going to come out of the box. So it's like giving birth. Oh, there we go. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. It's got the cut styrofoam. Little wrappers for the handles. Don't understand that because, you know, what's going to happen. See what else is in this box. All right, what do we got? Loyalty program, very important. If you don't do the loyalty program, it's real easy. Just, you know, copy and paste your receipts from like Amazon or someplace in there, and you'll get a credit with Kastking. So very important for you to do that. All right, so this is line ID stickers, which is nice. I use those. A sticker, of course I use those. And they have a couple instruction manuals. One, you got to blow apart. So you got the blow apart diagram. So if you have to, you know, replace anything or repair, or if you take it apart, you don't know how to put it back together. That's real important. And this is actually a really nice manual. This is what they give you with, you know, their reels, and it gives you pointers on, you know, how to use the reel, you know, how to bait cast with it, and how to maintain it, understanding how to spool it, very important. So it's actually a really good piece of literature. So how to understand the braking system. So awesome. Okay, let's put all that back. And should I put that back like that? Maybe not all the way on. The thing was tough. So, all right. So, let's loosen this thing up. Ooh, it clicks. Something. Oh, listen. That's its spool tensioning knob. And of course, its drag clicks. All right. Nice solid click. It's a double spring click on it. Nice lock, anti-reverse lock on it. No play whatsoever. Very good. Let's open it up. Let's check out these magnets. This comes with 8 magnets. It's really cool. Any second now. Open, close, open, close. It's got that new reel feel, I guess. Come on. Huh. Well, we'll figure that out later, I guess. But you've got your your braking system right there. Now normally, I just sort of stick it somewhere on like 4 or 3 or something like that. But when you get a brand new bait casting reel, crank the brakes all the way up and back it off until you get the feel for it. So, all right. Very cool. It also has a lubrication port right here. That little screw right here. Open that up, and now I don't have to take it apart to lube it. So I can just drop a couple drops of real grease in there. It's as good as new. I can do it out on the boat or the kayak too. Oh, there it goes. It was already open. Okay, so here's that's your 8 magnet configuration. Notice the separation. It helps balance the braking system. Really nice. It's a long shaft spool. You can see the double shielded bearing right there. It's well greased. I don't know if you guys can see the grease on that, but looks like it's well lubricated, which is nice. A lot of times when I break open a brand new one, it's hard to find lubrication. Just clicked right in there. Bam. There we go, and lock it. This reel is only 6.8 ounces. Now what makes the Armor X so amazing is that it's got a aluminum frame in it. It's not all graphite. So it actually has incredible ability of durability. Again, this is the Armor X right here. And the front, your guide for your line is a funnel. And that funnel, I don't know if you can see how wide it is there, right there. And it sort of tapers towards the front. And that is something that they've patented. And that brings the line off of the spool faster. Really, really nice. Let's free that spool up. I like to see a little more spin, but let's turn the brakes all the way off. That's probably what was keeping it. Yep, that's what it is. All right. It feels solid. There's no play in the handles. This is a 9+1 bearing system. So there's 10 bearings. And the spool itself, it has 2 bearings, I do believe. So we're going to drop some pictures in here. And yeah, double bearing supported pinion gear, which is really, really nice. Double spring release. You can't get more solid than that. That is a very solid release. This is a 7.2 to 1, so it's a little faster than what I'm used to. I have a 6.3 to 1. This in 12 pounds of line, it'll hold 110 yards. Plenty. This, it's got the golf style grip to it, just in case I want a hole in one. I love the clicking of the tension knob. Something my Spartacus Plus doesn't do, doesn't click on that. What else is? This is their Crixus Warrior series. So this is your, it's actually lighter than the graphite one. This is 6.8 ounce. So it's almost, I think is that 1.5 ounces or so lighter than the other one. The drag on it is up to 17.6 pounds. It's real solid. I love the blue accents on the black, which is really nice. Super reliable because of the framing of it. That aluminum frame gives it great reliability. The 8-button magnets gives it a fantastic braking system. So this should come out as my favorite reel now. So I'm going to spool this with fluorocarbon, the covert fluorocarbon, because I have fallen in love with covert fluorocarbon. And I'll put a link to this reel down below. So if you just go ahead and click that link, it's a direct link to Amazon, and you'll be able to order one of these things. This is a right-handed one. They do make it in left-handed. These are very limited availability. So if you want one, get one. Just click below and put it in your cart. So really, this is a sexy looking reel. And I love the lubrication port. That is really nice. Right now I take apart my reels in order to relube them. And keeping, just like a car, changing the oil in it, making sure it's lubed, will make it last longer and perform better. So this right here, excellent. Man, that's smooth. There's no sound, no grinding. I look, when we took it apart, I noticed the lubrication in it. Awesome. So I'm going to pepper this with some really neat pictures of it. Just click below for direct access to Amazon, so you can buy this. But this one right here, 7.2 to 1 gear ratio. It's got an aluminum frame to it. It's only 6.8 ounces. Very light, very low profile, and you can easily palm it. Easily. And I don't have big hands. I just don't have big hands. And so I have a big belly, but not big hands. And with a tension knob, and oh my goodness, feels really comfortable, very smooth. I would definitely ask you guys to look at this reel. This is the Crixus Armor X. So they make several lines of Crixus. This is the Armor X. It's the only one with an aluminum frame. So check it out. So thank you very much for tuning into Terrible at Fishing. Please subscribe and like and share. We are just past 200, and I would love to get to 1,000 this year. So thank you very much, and keep your lines tight.